Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to add LinkedIn page into your app. The LinkedIn page allows you to connect LinkedIn account with your app, helping you promote your business and widen your network. Now let's see how to add LinkedIn page. Enter your business name and click on next. As per your business name, the owl will suggest you some specific categories. If you can't find the appropriate category, click on View More Categories. Here you will see all the categories. Choose the one that best suits your business. Once done, click on Next. Now select an app design as per your choice and click on Next. Now let's add LinkedIn page. Click on View All here and search LinkedIn. Click on the page to add it. Here's your LinkedIn page name. If you want, you can change it. From here, you can change the page icon, select a solid outline icon image from our library, or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's move to content section. Here's your app menu name, LinkedIn. If you want, you can change it. From here, you can change the app menu icon. If you want, you can select an icon from our library or upload your own custom icon image. Now comes entering your LinkedIn URL. You can follow the tutorial how to use your LinkedIn URL in your app page to get it. Once you have got LinkedIn URL, enter it here. Click on Add More button to add multiple LinkedIn profiles. From here, you can delete the LinkedIn profiles. Once done, click Save and Continue. That's all for now. Stay tuned for updates. Thanks for watching.